We're out here at Carroll High School with the Chargers, your team of the week, and Coach Dave Ginder joining me. Back-to-back state champs. Last year you went in the state tournament unranked. This year you went in ranked #1. They always say it's harder to stay on top than it is to get on top. Was that the case for this baseball team?
The target these guys enjoyed as far as being #1, and last year's success, it was a lot of fun, and they earned it. Played really well throughout the tournament, throughout the season, so we're proud of them.
32-2. You win your last 25 games straight, and those 2 losses earlier in the season by only 1 run apiece.
And looking back at situations in those games, they were winnable games for us. But in the grand scheme of things, maybe it was good to humble us a little bit at that point. But to win 25 in a row and to finish the way we did was unreal and a great season.
When you take a look at last year's team, you got Justin Glass, who had a great season at the University of Cincinnati. I don't know if there was a better hitter in high school baseball last year in Indiana. And then you had Curtis Wise, who pitched a 9-inning shutout in the state championship game. You lose those guys and more to graduation. So coming back this season, was this something you anticipated? And what was it about this team that allowed them to be successful?
I'm not sure you can say you anticipate a state championship. I thought we could be very competitive. But in a lot of ways, I felt our lineup was more solid this year from top to bottom, and different guys in different point of the season stepped up big, and of course Gavin in the state finals, and different kids throughout the year, they were better 1 through 9. It was just a great team win, an unselfish group, and proud of them in that way because they were very unselfish, and kids just played in their role in whatever was asked of them, and they did a tremendous job with that.
Final question, what does it mean to win not only 1 state title but back-to-back state championships for this Carroll program?
What does it mean? It's great kids to work with. You know, they're great competitors, and what we've been able to do is a lot of fun, and hopefully we continue to build from that. With kids coming up through our program and the kids who are continuing in our program right now, just that expectation of excellence that we're going to strive for.
All right, congratulations to the Carroll Chargers, back-to-back state champs, and your team of the week.